Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Neoris protocol token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Neoris protocol's decentralized post-quantum infrastructure provides trust and security for Web 2 and Web 3. It's designed to secure and validate the integrity of digital systems, networks and devices and data across Web 2 and Web 3 environments. Established in 2008, established in 2018. Now this protocol is redefining global digital security and data quality through a self-validation security enforcement protocol that shifts the digital world from a traditional and solitary signal point of failure. Cybersecurity model is an incentivized decentralized compute model. This transformative approach leverages a high scalable blockchain suitable for large scale applications, post quantum cryptography algorithms aligned with NIST, NATO, and EU ETSI standards, such as in key encapsulation mechanism KEM and dilithium signature that mitigate quantum vulnerability and a decentralized cybersecurity mesh that transforms all conducted devices into achieve army of incentivized validators. Note that redefine cybersecurity standards for enterprises, blockchains, ecosystem, and IoT devices. Built on its own post-quantum sub-zero layer blockchain. Naviris protocol is designed to enhance the system reliability and data quality of both Web 2 and Web 3 infrastructures and blockchain transactions, including blockchain layer 0, layer 1, layer 2, and as well as DEXs, bridges, and validators. AIO token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.